Today, we're going to apply together for this job. This job is about an investment services professional, and they are looking for finance professionals to develop and refine high-quality reasoning questions that help train leading AI models. This is how you can start earning a stunning $90 to $120 per hour just from your home. I have explored this job opportunity and I will guide you on what to do afterwards. Just stick around. Welcome to the channel that makes online earning easy. My name is Victor, and before we jump into today's job application process, are you a member of our website? Visit our official website, link in the description. I've shared a lot of knowledge and created a free class for those who want to start from scratch. There are available products and services. Just view the shop tab. If you want to access the free class on how to start working online, just click on the Masterclass tab. Then you'll see two programs. Click on the one that's free and join. The other is the paid version, where you'll learn deeper and start working as soon as you've completed the class. Now, in order to be successful in getting this opportunity, first you need to have a strong proxy for the particular country. Many of these jobs are limited to the US, and if you're in Africa, Asia, or other parts of the world, you simply won't see the high-paying tasks, or you may even be restricted from accessing the website. Just access your free class and you'll be taught how to purchase a proxy and set up everything. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to be able to make money online with Victor. Let's dive in. Now, open your computer and choose your preferred anti-detect browser. My top 3 recommendations are IX Browser, MoreLogin, and GoLogin. For this particular job, we'll use MoreLogin. This helps ensure that during the interview process, your use of a proxy remains undetected. So go ahead and open MoreLogin, run your proxy profile, and wait for it to connect successfully. Once it's connected, open a new tab and paste the job link. To get the job link, simply go to our community group and copy it from there. This job position is about investment services professional. They pay $90 to $120 per hour, and it's an hourly contract working remotely. They are looking for finance professionals to develop and refine high-quality reasoning questions that help train leading AI models. This work is being conducted with a major AI lab, and your knowledge in banking will ensure the accuracy, rigor, and instructional quality of model outputs. Their minimum qualifications are 2+ years in investment services, IB, PE, AM, etc., familiarity with advanced, highly complex finance topics, strong writing and critical thinking skills, and ability to work independently and meet deadlines. Your role will be a minimum weekly commitment of 4+ days and 15+ hours. This project is expected to last approximately 3 weeks as a pilot and much longer if the pilot results are successful. The application process is simple, and you will take a short AI interview to assess your finance skill set and capabilities. If selected, you will move on to a second round interview, which will test your capabilities to complete work relevant to the project, which they will compensate during that stage. Now, let me guide you on how you should take this interview. Click Apply Now, then upload your resume. Here is how mine looks like. I'll leave it in the group so that you can download it and make changes. Open a new chat on ChatGPT and tell it that you're doing an interview and here are the job details, then send. Go to your Chrome Web Store and search otter.ai, then add it as an extension. Make sure to sign up on their page to successfully use the extension. Then split the screen into two, one for ChatGPT and the interview. Once everything is set, click on the extension icon on the top right, then click the otter.ai extension. Click Start Recording and enable microphone audio. Go to the interview and click Start. The otter.ai will transcribe the questions asked by the interviewer, and your work is to be quick to copy and paste the question to ChatGPT, then answer fluently. do that until you finish the interview and submit. So guys, that's how we do it, and I hope you found it helpful. This is the exact method many people have already used to pass interviews for these high-paying AI jobs. What's powerful about it is that you don't need to overthink or freeze during the interview. ChatGPT handles the technical part for you. With Otter.ai doing live transcription, it's like having a virtual assistant feeding you perfect answers in real time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you want to continue making money online with Victor.